Welcome back, everyone. It was such a beautiful day with Simpsons clouds in the sky. I thought I'd do a little video on my front porch. If you've been following along, and if you haven't been following along, you really should. I suggest you like and subscribe. But anyway, I did a review a while back of the SMSL PO100 Pro DDC, digital-to-digital converter, and I compared it to the Denafrips Gaia, which costs about 30 times the price, and I thought that was a bit unfair. So you may have noticed recently that I unboxed a Live Harmony Micro DDC that I felt would be a closer comparison to this one, although it's still, I think, about 10 times the price of this. So it still wasn't terribly fair. So to make things even more fair, I decided to snag the similarly priced Douk Audio DDC. It's the U2 Pro. I don't know why all these things are called Pro. There's this thing Pro, the SMSL PO100 Pro. This is the same kind of unit, although this seems like a much better quality thing. It's a metal case rather than plastic, and interestingly enough, it has a separate input for DC. With the SMSL unit, it uses power and data from the same USB connection. With this case, you can actually have two different connections, although it takes a very tiny little connector there, so finding something that'll do that may be a challenge, but I thought I'd give that a try. For that matter, the Live Harmony Micro DDC also has a separate power supply rather than having an internal one like the Denafrips Gaia does. And for that, I'm trying a linear supply as well as the supplied switch mode supply. So we'll see how all of those feature as well. Doing that comparison, you should see that in about a week. And while I'm at it, in that, I'm also going to be talking about cables. I did an unboxing of the Audio Quest Forest cable. I think I've also got an Audio Quest Carbon kicking around here somewhere, so I have to see if I can find that and compare that one as well. And while I was at it, since I've got cheap DDCs, I figured I'd also do a cheap cable, and there's the Snow Kids 8K HDMI cable. We'll give that a shot and see how that comes out in the mix as well. A whole lot of fun and frivolity. Hope you guys tune in later this week when I actually get that video out. Thanks very much, and have yourself a great day. Bye-bye, Simpsons clouds.